technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty for the third consecutive day has posted a positive daily close of gaining more than 100 points. It opened with a gap up today, and during the first half of the trading session we saw the positive momentum continue. However, it was around 1:30 in the afternoon that we saw some selling pressure, and thereafter the Nifty traded in a sideways manner till the end of the day, and ending the day with a 108 point gain on the Nifty. The advance decline ratio was positive today with 948 advances to 536 declines. Dr. Reddy, HDFC and Tata Motors were some of the draggers in trade today, while Reliance, Infosys, TCS, BHEL and L&T were some of the big movers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts we can observe that Nifty, after taking support at the 40-day exponential moving average, has been continuously giving positive closes around the tune of 150 points, 198 points, 150 points, and today more than 100 points on the Nifty in trade today. Now today we have seen a gap up opening, and in today's trading session also in the afternoon, when we saw some selling pressure, the Nifty took support around the lower end of the gap today, which was placed around 7067. So, and thereafter traded in a sideways manner throughout the day. The daily momentum indicator has a positive crossover. So now the momentum indicator also is supporting the positive bias on Nifty. Now moving on to the hourly charts. On the hourly charts we can observe that around after hitting a high of 7273 on the upside, the Nifty faced some selling pressure, and it consolidated in a narrow range through afterwards, taking support at the lower end of the range, that is around 7067. The hourly momentum indicator has slipped into a negative mode, that is, it has given a negative crossover. So in the coming trading sessions we might see some further consolidation in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. However, if today's high is taken out on the upside, then the next wave on the upside will begin. Overall friends, our view on the Nifty in the short term is positive, with a target of 7350 on the upside, with a reversal placed at 6870. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. This is a weekly chart of Bank Nifty. We can observe that Bank Nifty has closed above the crucial previous highs made in 2010 and 2013. It has reached the crucial resistance, and it is trading above that. These crucial resistances have been crossed, so now which were acting as a resistance up till now will now be acting as a crucial support, and the Bank Nifty has to sustain above that for the rally on the upside to continue. So until and unless the level of 13,348 is not breached on the downside, our view on the Bank Nifty shall remain positive. Crucial resistances for Bank Nifty will be placed at 14,500 and 15,000 odd levels, while crucial supports are placed at 13,900, and below that the crucial resistance, which will now be acting as a support, that is 13,348, shall be acting as a crucial support for the Bank Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Overall, our view on the Nifty is positive, with a target of 7350 on the upside, with a reversal placed at 6870. That's all for the day. Thank you.